getting it, but there he is right there. He won't close his mouth. I mean, it's fine though. All right, coming down. I mean, it's a decent fish too. Let's see if we can get him to touch 16. Yep, there he is right there. So there's the mouth coming down, touching 16 inches. Awesome right there. Okay, everyone. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm doing with this frog. It's kind of stupid, but you know, I'm gonna try to get a bite on it. I'm basically just Texas rigging it. Just caught a fish off this point. So I'm gonna see if this Texas rig frog can produce one. Let's see if it'll sing. I might need to go peg it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to peg it. Okay, everyone, we're done. Okay, guys, as much as I hate to do it, we are done trying to catch one on Old Frog. Old Frog has been rigged several ways. I'm sure not many people have ever rigged a hollow belly frog, but it's just not gonna work. There's a fish. Oh yeah, that's a good one too. That was, oh yeah, baby. That was a cool fun. That was funny. Yeah, fat. Okay, everyone. So here's a fish on that swim bait. Hit the mouth right there. Coming down, hitting 13 and a quarter right there. You know, right now I'm struggling on this one. This MTB's giving me my licks. Swim bait's done. O'clock, 1:08. So I stayed an hour longer than I planned. I'm trying, I promise you guys, I was trying to catch fish in this and finish it out and only have the frog, but I'm telling you what, it just did not work out. So guys, make sure to go to the website and give me a vote for this video. I'm going to need all the help I can get after this month. I'll leave the link to that in the description where you can vote for myself or any of the other fellow competitors. Make sure to like this video, it really helps me out. Hit the subscribe button, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. And until next time guys, thank you for watching.